So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vakas and you're watching Vakas Tech. So guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone overheating issue after update iOS 16.5. Lot of iPhone users reported that they are facing overheated issue on their iPhone. Even I am also facing this kind of issue on my iPhone XS after update iOS 16.5. As you can see, this is iPhone XS and right now it's updated on iOS 16.5. Open setting, tap general, tap about. You can see appears on screen it's updated on iOS 16.5 and I'm also facing overheated issue on my iPhone. So how to fix that issue? Okay, firstly move to the solution 1. Solution 1 is never use any case on your iPhone when you are facing overheating issue on your iPhone. If you are using any kind of case on your iPhone, just remove the case and then use your mobile phone. Okay, now move to the next solution. The next solution is don't use iPhone during the charging. If your iPhone connected with charging, just remove the plug and then use it, because during charge iPhone is overheated and you can also face this kind of issue on your iPhone. Okay, if that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is update your iPhone iOS 16.6 beta. So update your iPhone to the beta version and you can easily fix that issue. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone setting, tap on general, tap on background app refresh. Okay, turn off useless app that you are not using right now, and then you can easily control the overheated issue on your iPhone. Okay, make sure you are using your original charger with your iPhone, because some high voltage charger may cause of overheated issue on iPhone. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone overheated issue after update iOS 16.5 latest update. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.